Welcome to all my beautiful people. I just spent 9 days in Jamaica and made these videos for you to enjoy. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you can see all of my content. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, I made it to Jamaica safely. I'm sitting here at the airport listening to Bob Marley, waiting for my daughter. I'll keep you guys updated. Love y'all. See you soon. Guys, I must show you the coconut stand at the airport in Kingston. Wow, look at all those coconuts. I think the name of the store is Going Nuts. Yeah. So nice to be home. I'm here to bury my dad, but I'm still gonna enjoy the country while I'm here. And I'm gonna do a little vlogging to show you guys what I'm doing here. I can't wait for my daughter to come to go to KFC. That's gonna be my first stop in Jamaica. I'll let you see when I get there. And after waiting forever, my daughter come with her little car. She know that I always have a lot of luggage. And she come with a very small car. I don't know why this big girl bought this small car. I can't even fit in this car, more over my luggage and me. Oh my God. Welcome to Jamaica. Look what I have here. KFC. My first stop in Jamaica. Guys, look at the chicken. My daughter take barbecue. I don't like barbecue, but I have the spicy in the bottom there. But trust me, my mouth is watering already, and I know your mouth is watering. I'm so sorry that you cannot get any of my KFC, but guess what? Maybe I'll bring back some for you guys. Love you all. Bye.